In this quick guide, you'll learn how to cancel a recurring deposit on Webull. Whether you're adjusting your financial strategy or simply need to pause your deposits, this process is straightforward and easy to follow. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to open the Webull app on your mobile device. Make sure you're signed in to your account to access the necessary features. If you're not logged in, enter your credentials and get ready to navigate through the app. Once you're in, locate the Webull logo or the account section. This is generally found at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it to enter your account settings. Now that you're in your account settings, the next step is to find the transfer section. This is where all your financial transactions, including deposits and withdrawals, are managed. Navigate to this section and tap on it to proceed further. Within the transfers section, you should see an option labeled recurring deposits. This is where all your active recurring deposit schedules are listed. Tap on this option to view the details of each recurring deposit you currently have set up. At this point, you'll need to identify the specific recurring deposit you will want to cancel. Once you've located it, select that deposit to open up more options. This is where you can make changes to your deposit schedule. After selecting the deposit, look for the cancel option. Tap on this to initiate the cancellation process. A prompt will likely appear asking you to confirm your decision. Make sure to review any details to ensure you're canceling the correct deposit. Once you're certain, confirm the cancellation request. Upon confirmation, your recurring deposit schedule will be officially stopped. You won't need to worry about any further automatic transactions from this point forward. If you encounter any issues during this process or have additional questions, Webull offers support through their help center inside the app. You can reach out to them for further assistance if necessary. And there you have it, an easy and efficient way to cancel a recurring deposit on Webull. By following these steps, you can manage your finances with confidence knowing you have control over your deposit schedules. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful for you today.